and welcome to E7 Kitchen. And thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time here, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. And today, we're going to be making our own healthy snacks. So I know they have the trail mix out and everything. But I like to make my own foods because you never know what's in stuff. And plus, a lot of people are allergic to peanuts. Although we're going to have peanuts in ours, you have the choice whether to have it or not to have it. So I love making my own choices. So that's why we're going to make our own snacks today. So let's get started. This is all we have. We have our peanuts. We have cashews. Regular peanuts. We have an apple. You can put an orange in if you want. We have some dried cranberries. We have the cheese of our choice. We have some raisins. And of course, our snap bags. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do the snap bags. So let's get started. We're just going to cut up a little bit of cheese just for a sample. Just to show 1 or 2 bags of how we're going to do this. Put the cheese over there. And we're just going to cut the cheese in little squares. This is good for when you're at work and at your desk and you just want something to snack on. Or the kids at school, throw it in their little lunch pail. Or even for your hubby, when he's at work and has something to snack on. Or how about when you're going on a long road trip and your kids want a little snack. You can just pour this out and give them a little snack. That should be enough cheese. You're going to chop those in half. And all these ingredients come way under for $10. And you can make so many bags out of this. Rather than buying the trail mix that's already made. You know when stuff already made, you pay more because of the convenience of it. So that's our cheese for now. And you can even cut that smaller if your kids are smaller. We're going to slice a little piece of apple. We already rinsed off our apple. We're going to slice that up. You can even make these smaller. Make it the size you want to, according to who you slicing it for. Then we have our nuts. I'll open these real quick. Try not to make the video too long. Put that to the side. Put a couple of pieces of nuts right there. You put some cashews in there if you want. Then we have our raisins. Let's get a box of raisins out. Be careful how you open this, y'all. This is very dangerous how I'm doing it. My raisins always stick together in a box. We have our dry cranberries. These are delicious. I love them. I can snack on these alone. Okay, let's pack it on up. Okay, that look good right there. Now you can do this one or two ways. You're going to take your snap bags that you get from the grocery store or Walmart or wherever you get it from. Get some paper clips. Or you can get the wooden clothes pins. Now I like it with the wooden clothespins. I just didn't have any right now, so don't judge me. But you're just gonna put the paper clip on the bag just like that, just as if you're doing a paper. And you make how many sections you want. I'm gonna make 3 sections, so I'm gonna use 2 paper clips. But if I was using the clothespins, you can write little notes on the clothespins, like "Honey, I love you," or "Have a great day," or "I'm sorry," or to your kids, "Mommy love you," or "See you when you get home." Or even just bling your paper clips out if you want to. Put little diamonds on them. Make yourself feel good. But those are our sections, okay? You see how I just put the paper clips on there? And you can use different color paper clips. Like if you have 2 or 3 kids, yellow might be for Murray because Murray is allergic to peanuts. Blue might be for John. So we're just going to take this, open it up, put our cheese in this section over here. And put how much in there you want. Put our peanuts in this section right here. Oh, a peanut went over there in that section. We don't need you to go over there now. Stay in your section. Stay in your lane. And maybe a couple of apple slices. You tell me that don't look good and healthy. The snack on the go in the car. Don't that look good and healthy to snack on? And you put as much in there as you want. This is just a sample on how I pack my healthy snacks in my to-go bag for the kids when they in the car. We can make another one real quick. I think we have time. Let's do one. Let's put our paper clip on. And let's say we have a child that's allergic to peanuts. So we have our paper clips on. Open our bag. Let's just do some apples. Maybe some cheese. Maybe some raisins. That sounds good. Or even the cranberries. And you can move your paper clips around how you want to. You can put 1 paper clip on there, make 2 sections. Look at that to-go snap pack. That'd be great for a child in the car. Or even for me to throw in my lunch bag. Sitting at my desk. I would love to snack on one of those. So that's my healthy snack bag. Let me know down below if you make one and whether you use clothespins and wrote a note on it or paper clips. And how did it come out? And what all did you use? Make sure you subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye. See you the next time.